Dear students, in this unit we will talk about the sexual dimorphism and sexual selection. Now, what is a sexual dimorphism? It is it means that two sexes of a species different in their external appearances. When we talk about the examples of birds, you can see the male birds are decorated with beautiful colors as compared to the female birds. And if we take the example of human population, male are quite different from the female counterparts in their appearances. Now, although some sexual dimorphism is the result of natural selection, most is thought to have evolved through the sexual selection. Now, the phenomena of sexual dimorphism is the direct product of evolution by natural selection, in that a struggle for reproductive success drives many male and female organisms down different evolutionary paths. So this differentiation became very evident and important in attracting the other mating counterpart. Darwin also proposed that sexually dimorphic characteristics are related to critical hostile force, that is the shortage of mates. This mate shortage ultimately forced the dimorphism of sexes in the same population of higher organisms. This sexual selection is a form of natural selection, and rather than favoring traits that improve an individual's chance of surviving or getting food, in sexual selection it favors traits that improve an individual's chances of locating, attracting, and fighting for access to the mate. This is also very important trait of a population, that it should be actively reproducing to give rise to large number of its population. So large number of population mean more success of that population in the course of evolution. So this desire has led towards the sexual selection and having the favoring of dimorphism in the within the population. Now, sexual selection can operate both intra as well as intersexually, either sequentially or simultaneously. During intrasexual selection, members of the same sex attempt to outcompete rivals, often during the direct encounters. The examples can be the territorial characteristics of certain animals, including polar bears or even lions, tigers, etc. They normally, in a certain locality, they have a direct encounter and a direct fight for the territorial winning, or for the winning to mate the opposite member of that population. While in intrasexual selection, this is typically responsible for the evolution of male armaments, such as antlers of deers and beetle horns. They are actually evolved in order to attract the opposite sex or the mate. By contrast, intersexual selection result from interaction between the same sexes, typically involving the mate choices, and evolution of elaborate behavioral displays and morphological traits can often be explained as a result of intersexual selection. So these are very important aspects of a population during the course of evolution, and in order to have better survival in a given environment.